This is the 34th video presentation for the Case Plant course. As you view this video, make notes of important information. Pause, repeat, and resume the video whenever necessary. Grafting, 7.4 Plant Multiplication. You completed Activity 7.4.3, Buried Alive, when you had the opportunity to asexually propagate plants through layering. This presentation provides an overview of grafting and illustrates the steps involved for grafting a cactus, as the students will do in Activity 7.4.4, a grafting experience. Grafting has been used for hundreds of years to improve production. Grafting requires a scion, or new top, a rootstock, or new bottom. Top work refers to grafting several scions on the same rootstock. The actual graft or scar is called the physical union. As a result of the graft, both parts of the union will retain their physical characteristics. Grafting quickly produces many new disease-resistant plants in a less expensive method. Plants with top work or multiple scions allow diverse production in smaller spaces. For example, one apple tree rootstock could have multiple scions grafted, each producing a different variety of apple. You cannot graft any species scion to any other species of rootstock. The two parts of the union must be closely related and of adequate size and quality for grafting. Grafting is most successful when performed during dormancy. The cambium layers of both parts of the union must match up in order for vascular tissue to function. Three general types of grafts are used: whip, side veneer, and cleft. Later in the lesson, we will learn about bud grafting or budding. During Activity 7.4.4, a grafting experience, you and a partner will graft barrel cacti in order to learn more about the process of grafting. Cactus is easy to graft for many reasons. Shown is the equipment you will be using to graft your cacti. Sterilization is needed to kill any bacteria on the knife. The cut needs to be clean and complete with no slivers or slices of flesh left at the site of the physical union. You should remove no more than 1/3 of a plant. Gloves are important to protect your hands from cactus spines. The diameter at the scion at the graft site should match the diameter of the rootstock at the graft site in order to match vascular tissue up. Make sure the scion is positioned on top of the rootstock properly. A rubber band will secure the physical union. You and your partner will both end up with new cacti forms such as this. After the graft is completed, do not water immediately. Leave the rubber bands in place until the physical union is completed. You may notice scar tissue at the site. Watch for signs of discoloration around the graft and in the scion tissue. Using the right tools for the job will make a difference. A budding knife is specially designed for making cuts for grafts and budding. A type of budding knife will also be used in Activity 7.4.5, Best Buds. As a review, mark or highlight 3 key points in your notes that are important to remember from this presentation. List 2 ideas or concepts that relate to previous knowledge. List any questions you have about this topic. Discuss these questions with your instructor. Keep any notes that you have from this presentation organized and available for use throughout the course. Throughout Activity 7.4.4, a grafting experience, you and a partner will graft cacti in order to better understand the process. Your teacher will provide instructions for the graft in order to help you observe safety procedures and to promote the success of your graft.